Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Best Smartphone 2022 $999. The first foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the cheapest foldable phone yet at $999, a feat worth noting. No, a grand isn't cheap, but the Galaxy Z Flip 3's price allows more people to try out the foldable life than ever before. Will that lower price win people over to the foldable phone side? The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is also more durable than its predecessor, thanks to IPX8 water resistance. The screen is 80% more durable and the phone itself sports Gorilla Glass Victus on the outer display and Samsung's new Armor aluminum body. In short, the Z Flip 3 is built to withstand more punishment than the original Galaxy Z Flip, though we still wouldn't drop it. If you're on the fence about which Samsung foldable to buy, I also encourage you to read our Galaxy Z Fold 3 review, too. And our Galaxy Z Fold 3 vs Galaxy Z Flip 3 comparison looks at how the two new foldables differ. And if you do pick up a Galaxy Z Flip 3 for yourself, make sure to check out what we think is the first app you should install on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, release date and price. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is available now. The 8GB per 128GB base configuration runs $999, but there's a 256GB option, too, for $1,049. Samsung also announced the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition, which is a customizable phone for $1,099. You have 49 possible color combinations between the frame, front, and back. You can also subscribe to the Bespoke Upgrade Care Plan, which lets you trade in your Flip 3 for a different color combination whenever you want. You also get a year of Samsung Care Plus. Just head over to the Bespoke Studio, opens a new tab, to get started. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, design and durability. Samsung took durability seriously with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The screen is now 80% more durable than the one found on the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Flip 5G, thanks to a new film. Gorilla Glass Victus covers the 1.9-inch outer display and Samsung constructed the phone's frame from its Armor aluminum material. All of that provides enhanced scratch resistance, especially on the cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, displays. When you unfold the handset, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. The 2640 by 1080 resolution combined with the 120Hz refresh rate made for a truly beautiful viewing experience. Scrolling was silky smooth with the Flip 3, showing off Samsung's true display prowess. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, cameras. On the camera front, they're unchanged from the original Flip. On the back, you get a 12MP f/1.8 wide-angle shooter and a 12MP f/2.2 ultra-wide one. The selfie camera is 10MP with a f/2.4 aperture. And there is still no telephoto lens on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, unlike other $999 phones such as the iPhone 12 Pro, which I chose to use for the following photo comparisons. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, video. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 can record video at up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. The end result is crisp and smooth, and looks great. The iPhone 12 Pro is also able to record up to 4K 60 frames per second, so I used both phones to record a brief walk to test stabilization, microphone quality, and overall visual fidelity. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, performance. With a Snapdragon 888 and 8GB of RAM, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a powerhouse. It didn't stumble once as I flipped through apps in flex mode. In short, the Flip 3 feels like any other Snapdragon 888 powered device. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 review, battery and charging. With a 3,300 mAh battery, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 retains the size of the original Flip's battery capacity. This is cause for some concern, since the Flip's battery life wasn't all that impressive. 3,300 mAh is smaller than other Samsung phones, too, including the regular Galaxy S21 with its 4,000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Review, Software and Flex Mode. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with Android 11 and One UI 3.1 out of the box, with an Android 12 update on the horizon. As with other Samsung phones, you can expect 3 years of platform updates and 4 years of security patches with the Flip 3. Samsung's update policy has paved the way for better support for Android phones, especially in the US where its presence is quite strong. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Review, Verdict. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 addresses a lot of our complaints with the original Galaxy Z Flip. Not only that, but the new phone is even cheaper than the 5G option Samsung released in 2020. A $999 starting price is very attractive to those who might have been on the fence about foldables before.